I saw this today on Facebook. They were giving this away for free. 53 rock, some soil and sand, and some pavers. This was probably a dream patio, or maybe a functional sidewalk, or one of many things that the owner was dreaming about. But when the reality of actually doing it and digging it, maybe getting permits, or all the other things that tie into making a project like this happens, sometimes the end result is they're just trying to give the materials away for free. Don't be that person. I want you to have your dream patio or your functional sidewalk or even your home's welcome mat, its driveway. So contact me and let's look at some of the options for all these things and make your dream project a reality. Thanks for watching.